What's up guys, it's not even been a month since OnePlus unveiled 70 and 70 Pro, but we already got our first look at the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. As you can see from the renders, the OnePlus 8 Pro will come with a punch hole display instead of a notchless screen that we have seen on the OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 70 Pro. OnePlus 8 Pro doesn't look all that different from the vanilla 8, but upon closer inspection you can notice that they have added an 3D ToF sensor and supporting camera sensor at the back, as well as a larger earpiece. The top bezel on the OnePlus 8 Pro also appears to be thicker than that of the OnePlus 8. The placement of the button, speaker, USB Type-C port and SIM card slot on the OnePlus 8 Pro is same as the OnePlus 8, but the smartphone is 0.7 mm thicker than the OnePlus 8. Not just that, the Pro variant is set to come with a 6.65 inch of screen, which is 0.15 inch larger than the OnePlus 8's display. The screen on both the 8 and 8 Pro will have a refresh rate of 90Hz. That's hardly a surprise since OnePlus last month announced that all its future smartphones will sport 90Hz display. OnePlus launched the 7 and 7 Pro in May this year, and it is likely to unveil the 8 series around the same time next year. So these are the details we know so far about the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is coming in 2020. If you like the video, please hit the like button. What you would like to see in the upcoming OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.